a giant cake. Wiggle, wiggle, it starts to shake. Is it dancing? Is it alive? Cake said hello, what a surprise! Baby shark jumps back in shock. Cake starts spinning, tick tock tock. Shake, shake, funny cake. Wobble, wobble, silly cake. Is it real or is it fake? Talking, dancing, birthday cake. Daddy shark says cut it fast. Cake runs away super fast. Grandma laughs, grandpa slips. Frosting lands on everyone's lips. Fish are sliding on the cream. This is wild, it's like a dream. Run, run, catch that cake. Don't let it escape the plate. Jump and splash and twist and shake. Catch that naughty birthday cake. Baby shark tries one more time. Come here, cake, you will be mine. He jumps up high, splash. Oh no! Falls straight into frosting snow. Now he's covered head to toe. Looks like cake. Hello, hello. Messy mess, what a sight. Baby shark is creamy white. Laugh, laugh, clap your fins. Hooray, fun, everybody wins. Cake stops running, soft and sweet. Okay, friends, now you can eat. Everyone takes a yummy bite. Best cake ever, pure delight. Candles glowing, wishes made. Happy smiles never fade. Clap, 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 hooray, hooray. Best birthday ever today. Sing along and celebrate. Fun with baby shark and cake. Pop the balloons, dance around. Happy laughter fills the sound. Baby shark waves goodbye. See you next time, don't be shy. Who is hiding, can you see? Peekaboo, don't be late. Let's play bubble hide and seek. Baby shark says close your eyes. What? Count to 5, no peeking, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ready or not, here I dive. Bubbles floating all around. One's hiding, make no sound. Hide, hide, where are you? In a bubble, big or blue? Look around and take a peek. Let's play bubble hide and seek. One big bubble, wobble, wobble. Is it mommy? Tiny giggle. Pop, it bursts. Oh, what a trick. It's just daddy doing a flip.
Okay, everyone, let's play hide and seek.
Guess, guess, try a blend. Was it shark or was it friend? Pop, pop, quick and sleek. Keep on playing hide and seek. 3 small bubbles side by side. Is that baby trying to hide? Pop, 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 oh what a sound. Just little fish jumping around. Everyone laughs, that's so funny. Look, look everywhere. Someone's hiding where? Oh, where? Big or small, fast or slow. Find the shark before they go.
7, 8, 9, 10, 10. Ready or not?
One huge bubble floats so high. Who is that up in the sky? Baby shark shouts, it's not me. But wait, inside, who could it be? Pop, surprise appears. Grandma shark with party cheers. Surprise, surprise, what a peek. Grandma wins at hide and seek. Clap your fins and laugh out loud. That was funny, wow, so proud. Now it's baby's turn to hide. In a bubble, I will glide. He hides quiet, small and neat. Can you find me? Tap your feet. Mom looks, daddy spins. Where is baby? Who will win? Pop, I'm here, he shouts with glee. And found, we did it.
Hooray, baby shark is here.
Baby shark was super quick. Clap, clap, shout hooray. Let's all play again together. bubble shining in the sun. Hey, A, B, C, come and see. Baby shark in bubbly sea. Baby sea, shout it loud. Learning time, we're so proud. A is for apple floating high in a bubble up in the sky. Baby shark says I can reach. Hop, he grabs it with a leap. Wow, wow. Then I want to start learning letters with a heart. Bubble pop and ABC, join the fun in ocean sea. B is for ball bouncing round, bubbles lifted off the ground. Baby shark jumps, got it now, doing it bounces on his brow. Baby bee, bounce so high, in the bubbles up we fly. ABC is fun, you see, baby shark is learning free. C is for cake, oh so sweet, floating slowly near his feet. Baby shark says yummy treat, but it spins, oh what a beat. C, cake in air, bubble magic everywhere. Learning letters, what a thrill. ABC fun gives us skill. All the letters start to fly. D to Z in bubbly sky. A is dolphin, E is egg, F is fish doing funny leg. Baby shark is dancing fast. ABC fun is here at last. V to Z, come with me. Bubbly letters in the sea. Jump and learn and sing along. ABC is our happy song. Suddenly, bubbles go boom pop, letters spin and never stop. Baby shark says wait for me, I can't catch whole ABC. Mommy laughs, just try again. Learning letters is so fun. ABC, don't be late. Bubble world is really great. Learn and laugh and play all day. Baby shark will show the way.